was, which I know is going to be an incredible show. This is how
मुझे बेहद खुशी है कि मिजवा एक छोटा सा गांव ईस्टर्न यूपी आजमगढ़ में, जो इतना छोटा था कि वो हिंदुस्तान के नक्शे पे भी नज़र नहीं आता था, उसको कोई पिन कोड भी नहीं था, लेकिन आज कैफी आज़मी साहब की कोशिशों की वजह से मिजवा तमाम दुनिया में जाना जाता है। मिजवा का जो काम हो रहा है उसमें हमारे साथी रहे हैं मनीष मल्होत्रा, जिनकी मैं बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ, क्योंकि उन्होंने इन औरतों को रोज़गार का एक ज़रिया देकर इनकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत बड़ी तब्दीली लाई है। मेरे लिए, मिजवा वेलफेयर सोसाइटी के लिए हमेशा मेरी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के तमाम लोगों ने हाथ बढ़कर हमेशा जो भी मैंने मांगा है वो बिना किसी सवाल किए दिया है। आप सब लोग ये जानते हैं कि पिछले 6 वर्षों में अमिताभ बच्चन से लेकर सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा तक, प्रियंका चोपड़ा से लेकर श्रद्धा कपूर तक, तमाम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोग हमारे लिए रैंप पर चल चुके हैं। हमारे लिए ये बहुत खुशी की बात है कि अनुष्का शर्मा, जो इससे पहले भी हमारे साथ जुड़ चुकी हैं और जो गर्ल्स एम्पावरमेंट के लिए पूरी तरह से फील करती हैं, वो आज हमारी शो स्टॉपर हैं। और उनके साथ शाहरुख खान का मिजवा वेलफेयर सोसाइटी के साथ जुड़ना हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी बात है। और मिजवा गांव में इतनी एक खुशी की लहर दौड़ रही है कि जो लोग आज यहाँ मौजूद नहीं हैं, हमारी खुशकिस्मती है कि मिजवा के कुछ लोग हमारे साथ यहाँ मौजूद हैं, लेकिन जो लोग नहीं भी मौजूद हैं वो भी मेकअप लगाकर, बाल बनाकर बस एक इमेजिनरी टेलीविज़न के सामने बैठे हैं कि वो जो हम देख रहे हैं हमारी नज़रों से वो देख रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
Shahrukh Khan sir and Anushka working. I've always been a Manish Malhotra fan. I've worn his creations when I was promoting Kung Fu Yoga, and it's just great to be here for a social cause such as Mijwan, and I want to see the show. I'm dying to see it. I'm really happy. I couldn't believe the response we got for that movie, and like I said, I'm just really happy.
In what capacity do you part? Like, if you also walking the
No, I'm just watching. Don't worry. I'm just here in support.
Would you like to say
absolutely amazing. I think this is by far one of the biggest acts of women empowerment we've ever seen, and I'm just here to support the cause.
Let me ask you about the biggest news of today. Mr. Karan Johar becomes a parent.
Congratulations to him. I think he'll make a really, really nice parent. I love Coffee with Karan, and he seems like a really fun person, so I think he'll be the fab dad.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, please avoid. Haji, Haji.
First of all, I want to congratulate Mizwan Foundation. They've been doing this every year. And also want to congratulate our friend Imtiaz because he's this time got associated with the whole event. And I think women empowerment, what this stands for, is something both Monica and I believe very deeply in. So we're very, very privileged to be here, and we thank them for having us over here this evening.
I've always believed in women empowerment. It's an amazing cause. One of the reasons I am here obviously is to support Mizwan, Shabana ji, and also because of Imtiaz, our very dear friend.
You know, the fashion is that you always abuse politicians. So I thought we'd change the fashion and let's do something nice about it. So I don't think it's conscious. I just think that India's changing, India's transforming. And if you can also have a life which is slightly, your personal life is slightly different from your regular life that we see, I think there's nothing wrong in that. So I think that we'll be proud of that. I think what's more important rather than fashion in politics is if it should be fashionable to be nice in politics. I think that's the most important thing, and we both believe in that.
Yes, definitely. We're big fans of their work, especially Shah Rukh. So it'll be exciting to see.
Yeah, we're looking forward to Shah Rukh and Anushka. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I think it's a fabulous cause, and I should not be saying that the first time I'm actually attending the fashion show. Shabana keeps complaining that I don't come, and whatever they do it with a proper intention. So I think that is what is important. The intention is not just to get publicity or to, it's actually to help the village. Yes, of course, yes, that's special. Shah Rukh, Anushka, both are walking. I think it's the first time he's walking for Mizwan, so. And I'll get to meet all my cousins inside, so. Hello, Sumit. How are you? Good evening.
Manish's collection will be over there.
Yes.
Kerajan is one of the world.
Of course, Manish तो मतलब अब मैं क्या तारीफ करूँ उसकी आप लोग he is the biggest designer और आज मेरे लिए उसने कपड़े नहीं भेजे वो अलग बात है but his fashion shows are always amazing.
Farah, let me ask you about the biggest news of
Yes, yes, yes,
has become a parent.
yes.
आपने शायद को
नहीं मैंने एक्चुअली जब हम साजिद के शो पे गए थे तो तभी दे asked me कि आप what do you want for Karan, and I said I feel that he should have kids and it's time that he either adopts or surrogacy, and I'm thrilled. I think it's the best thing that can happen to him. हाँ, मैंने उसको बोला है, उसको एक नैनी चाहिए होगी तो मैं हूँ ना. Yeah. I want to say it's time we had a man's day also. Why should we get only one day in the whole year? मैं खुद यार 2-3 स्क्रिप्टें चल रही है, जैसे होगा you never know. I have no idea. My flaws are I'm perfect. I don't have any flaws. I'm not telling you much. Ready? Okay? Thank you.
It's a privilege to be here this evening. I am dressed in Manish Malhotra, needless to say, and I have on a sari that has been made by women with the specialized work that Mijwan does. As you know, Mijwan is a village in Uttar Pradesh, जहाँ पर पिछले 6 एडिशंस जो हम यहाँ पर 6 मेज़बान के शोज देख चुके हैं, वहाँ पर कुछ 300 औरतों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिली है, काम करने का मौका मिला है, to stand on their own feet. And when he allows me this opportunity to come and be a part of this evening and to celebrate this with Ma'am Shabana Azmi, with Ms. Goyal and Mr. Malhotra, it is an absolute privilege. मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि I can be a part of this every year.
Will you be walking the ramp, or you will be cheering them for the event?
Well, if I was walking the ramp, you would have known about it. No, I'm not walking the ramp this time.
Would you like to say something about the Women's Day, since it's a cause for the women also? One of my colleagues also wanted to know about the Women's Day and the cause for the women.
Ek to meri jaan, it's so nice to see you always. What can I tell you about Women's Day? We don't need a day to be celebrated. the gentleman asking me the question is also born from a woman. So life itself is a celebration because एक औरत का हाथ है उसमें. It's an absolute privilege and an honor to be one and to celebrate that every single day of my life.
And Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma will be gracing the ramp.
Yes.
Has always been like for Shah Rukh.
Yes.
What would you like to see? What are your
But that's not fair. I've always been for Shah Rukh and for Anushka. I think both of them are spectacular people and actors. I'm very excited. It's rare for me to be able to come and be in the audience and to applaud everyone's effort. So tonight I'm looking forward to. Whistle karna nahi aata, nahi to wo bhi karti aaj.
one last thing?
Yeah.
Please allow me to ask you about Mr. Karan Johar.
Yes.
Now, what you would like to see on this official just for him.
For? मेरी जान आपकी आवाज नहीं पहुंच रही है, so suddenly I can't hear you. Oh yay! You know, Bharat, thank you. I can now hear you. Yes, congratulations, Karan Johar. इन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था that he has the nurturing qualities in him. He wants to have to start a family, and he's always been a guy who is owned by his heart. I'm very, very excited that Karan Johar is now a parent, and I have no doubt that his children will grow up to be amazing people. I'm very, very happy. हर एक बच्चा अलग होता है, हर एक parent अलग होता है. Just remember that you're here to nurture their talents and to give them the best possible life ever. I'm so, so happy for you, Karan. God bless you.
What is your flaw?
Flaws?
Yeah.
But like, मैं बहुत move पर हूँ. Thank you, guys.
I'm just here to support Manish and Shabana ji in this beautiful cause that they are. I'm just here to support Manish and Shabana ji in this wonderful cause, and I'm just here as a friend. I just feel that you don't need to celebrate a day, one day for a woman, because I think women need to be celebrated every single day of their lives because they are also beautiful. Not because I am, but because I've seen my mother, I've seen my sisters, and I think they are all beautiful souls. So they should be celebrated every day, not just one day. Thank you. Thank you.
they have a voice now, they're empowered, or I just feel proud that I'm associated with something so beautiful and a charity which I'm extremely, I can relate to and I'm very, very proud of. And I would like to thank Manish for inviting me here. I love whatever he does, and this is a beautiful cause he's part of. And Shabana ma'am, she's a wonderful actor. I've grown up watching her work, but I think knowing that whatever she's doing, I love her a lot more. Because she's taking that extra step to help this cause, and I have a newfound respect for them now. Thank you. I think Women's Day should be every day. We need to celebrate us every day. And I think we're beautiful, we all are unique. And a woman today is not just a mother, but she's also, she's everything. She's working, she's taking care of kids, she's a daughter, she's a sister, she's a very important part of society. And she's been taking on everything. And it takes a lot of strength to be able to do that. So that I think we need to celebrate our strength every day. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Initiative website है, very easy, you can donate on the website, and I will contribute with my bit, and I hope that people take this forward and contribute with their bit, because it's a great cause. I'm a big fan of Shahrukh sir, so definitely waiting to see. I'm waiting for my next film too. I'm going to start shooting now, and I think there's only 20 days left. Been rehearsing all day, all night, so I'm a bit tired right now. But I think 20 days I'll be on show. That's my film, and I think you should expect it by then. Thanks. Yes. Nice. What is it? Women's Day, yes. नहीं इनकी आ रही है आवाज़. Well, Women's Day, I don't know what I want to say. Women are amazing. I would like to take my mother out for a dinner. I haven't taken her out for a very long time, and hopefully I can pay for it this year. So I'll take my mom out for dinner. That's all I can say right now.
that Shabana is doing. She is an inspiration to us all, and particularly what Shabana, Manish, and Namita are doing. It's wonderful because they're working towards the education and the employment of women. So I think that Mizwan Welfare Society is doing a wonderful job. No, I'm really looking forward to watching Shah Rukh and Anushka. What fun. And I'm sure Manish has done a wonderful and ethereal job of, I think they brought the chicken curry work to the forefront as far as I know, so I'm looking forward to watching it. For women to tell women's stories, and I think Alankita Srivastava has done a wonderful job in Lipstick Under My Burqa, and I think that I'm really fed up of the fact that these kind of films are banned and so many other kinds of films are not. No films should be banned at all. I think the CBFC should just give a certificate, and I think that we should watch all kinds of films. It's important that we watch films where women talk about themselves. Absolutely. I mean, I think it's an unnecessary obstacle. In any case, it's a very difficult and stressful path. It's very difficult to get funding for these kind of films. On top of, and the film is winning awards abroad. It's really unfortunate that people in India can't. We'll see what the tribunal has to say. But people in India should have a right, to choose for themselves whether they want to watch the film or not.
What do you think is a possible solution that we can come up as a part of industry?
No, I don't have any solutions, I'm sorry to say.
Any steps as part of the film?
I think, the Charm Benegal had a committee and, they are working towards it, and I think that the guidelines need to be revised and re-examined, and there should be people accountable, who can do that job. Yeah. Thank you.
दोनों इस कॉज को सपोर्ट करते एंड इट्स अ वेरी कमेंडेबल एफर्ट. हम साथ देंगे, हमारे साथ है उनके शुरू से. अच्छा है, वेरी गुड. दैट्स अ गुड सपोर्ट फॉर एवरीबॉडी. बेवॉच लेकर, पर मेजबान के साथ तो कई सालों से जुड़ी हुई है. थैंक यू.
Wonderful cause, and Shabana ji called me and she said I had to be here, and I always have supported Mizwan, and I think it's a great initiative, and I think it's something that can be applied to any village across the country, and I think it's lovely how Manish, everyone's come together to sort of give it a platform to talk about some very real issues that our country is suffering from. Well, I'm very excited. They both are my favorites, and I think it's going to be a night with a lot of glamour, a lot of style, with a good cause at the Institute.
Women's Day, and there's not one specific day that we should celebrate and commemorate all the women around us. And I think if we just acknowledge the presence of what women are doing around us every single day, we should just...
At the same time, we are also very eager for your international project.
Yes.
We have very excited for it.
I am very excited for it, and in fact 3rd March को film UK में release हुई है. Inshallah we'll release the film here in August, which is closer to the 70 years of India's independence and partition. And we all thought it's the right time for a film like this, which is about partition, which is about human values, which is about the need to sort of look at love and humanity and not divide people on religious grounds. I think a film like that is the right time to release would be August in India. It's not the right platform to talk about Viceroy's house, but I'm playing a Muslim translator to Lord Mountbatten. I think we'll talk about it when the time is right. Yes. Well, lots of compliments. I think I'm very fortunate. I'm very glad I got to be a part of this beautiful film called Jolly LLB. And I'm really happy that not just critics, but I think people in general have enjoyed the film. I've got a lot of compliments about playing Pushpa, because Pushpa Pandey is this little unusual housewife. One has not seen a housewife like this before. Jo, matlab, he likes to have a little drink. So her husband makes a drink for her, he presses her feet, he sort of... so it's a very unusual dynamic that both of them have. And now that the film is out, I can talk about it. It's also this one time where he's sort of lost hope and he's sort of hit by, these goons. And she rises and she, in a way, fights these guys in her own housewifey way, and she sort of manages to, save him. And I think it's important to write strong characters for women. I've never cared about screen time, because I don't think good acting or bad acting is defined by how many number of minutes you are on screen. It's about what you end up doing. So I've got some very good feedback on playing Pushpa Pandey, and I'm very happy and very grateful for it. All right, thank you very much.
Shabana ji, I think, is an inspiration to all of us. She's been working so hard at Mizwan for so many years, and unfortunately I've never had a chance to come and support her. This is my first time at her annual show, and I give her all my best wishes, and I really hope for Mizwan to go from strength to strength.
Kiran, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka will be walking the ramp.
Oh wow.
Really exciting. What are your views?
I didn't know that. I'm super excited. I was already excited. Now I'm really looking forward to seeing them.
Let me ask you about Karan. Karan is now a father, a parent.
I have no idea. I had no idea.
There's two twins.
ये कब की न्यूज़ है अभी? Oh, I'm delighted. I mean, what can I say? I need to go and make a call.
Baby boy and baby girl born on 7th of Feb.
Wow.
Yesterday.
Wonderful. What can I say? I mean, that's just wonderful. He deserves every happiness. He deserves every happiness that life can give him. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to hear this news. Thank you for the news. Thank you to the media for the news. सही में मुझे नहीं मालूम था. I had no idea. I live under a rock. मैं phone अपना उठाती नहीं हूँ. I'm not on social media. और मुझे actually किसी ने नहीं बताया.
अच्छा, आमिर भी नहीं है?
नहीं. आमिर ने बताया नहीं. I have not seen him actually all day, but anyway.
Let me ask
Thank you.
My colleague wants to ask you about the Women's Day. It's on 8th of March, and the cause is also related. So would you like to share any message for Women's Day?
Well, it's been said many times before, we need to do a lot of work for women to be given their, I think, rightful place in every walk of life. we do our bit in our filmmaking, and I think everyone must. And I'm happy that we've set aside a day to celebrate women, but we have to make it a daily celebration.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I've always been part of Mizwan in some way or the other because I've always felt for it, and I think some great work that they're doing, Manish Malhotra, Shabana ma'am, and Namrata, empowering women, kind of helping them get employment, and at the same time reviving chicken curry work, which is great. So I think it's a great cause, and really some really good work happening. Yeah, I can't wait to see that. It's exciting. Yeah. Yeah, thanks. Good evening.
Women's Day is also nearby. Delhi wants to have.
Sorry?
Women's Day is nearby.
Yeah.
Of March.
Yeah.
Any message for everyone over here on the center?
Well, I've always felt that, it's really important for women to be independent, financially, socially, because that's what's going to eventually take you far. And that being not dependent on somebody else and being dependent only on yourself is, I think, what we all need to work towards in some way or the other. It will make us stronger human beings, and especially in a society like ours, I think that's the one thing. That's the one thing that comes to mind.
One thing, we all have qualities and flaws. Can you help us one quality and flaw which you want to mention first? One quality of yours and one flaw.
Oh, that I'll have to ask you guys.
What do you think about that? Just tell us.
I think I'm pretty practical, which maybe is a good thing. I don't know. Sometimes it can be a flaw, but sometimes it can be a good thing as well. And I think I'm pretty stubborn, which can be a flaw. So yeah. But I guess both can be worked in good ways and bad. I'm busy shooting right now for my film Lucknow Central, so that's what's keeping me busy. We've got a few days left. We just finished the second schedule, so we've got a little more left and then we're done. So, yeah. Thank you.
आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा थॉट है, बहुत अच्छी इनिशिएटिव है जो ये चली आ रही है, एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल दैट वी कुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, एंड या इट्स अ नाइस इनिशिएटिव. इट्स शबाना जी, मनीष मल्होत्रा सर एंड सब लोग का जो मिलके मिज़वान के लिए जो चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, विमेन एम्पावरमेंट में जो चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, विच इज़ it's like a great initiative, and I'm really glad that I could make it. जी, अरे मनीष सर उनका अटायर हमेशा से काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है, एंड ही इज़ द बेस्ट, एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल कि मैं उनके आई कुड मैं उनके अटायर में हूँ और हो सकता हूँ. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी, एंड ये हमेशा ऐसे चलता रहे. सो फॉर विमेंस डे, हाँ जी, एनी मैसेज फॉर विमेंस डे. आई थिंक ये बहुत अच्छे ओकेजन में आपने पूछा है कि मेज़बान में हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं सब लोग, एंड विमेन एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में काफ़ी चीज़ें चल रही हैं यहाँ पे. आई थिंक वी आर ऑल इक्वल्स, एंड हम लोग कभी भी अपने आप को, विमेन को मैं सबको ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि अपने आप को कभी भी मर्दों से कम ना सोचें. सो दैट्स द ओनली थिंग विच आई वुड से, एंड हैप्पी विमेंस डे.
I think the thing is like we have short time, so we will see on the next red carpet. Freddy is waiting for us.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. यहाँ पे आए हुए सारे लोगों में शायद मैं एक ऐसा होगा जो मिजवां के साथ तब से जुड़ा है जब से ये शुरू हुआ है। मैं पहले मॉडल था और मिजवां के लिए काफ़ी मैंने वॉक्स किए हैं और जानता हूँ कि क्या होता है, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था, कहाँ से वो करीबन 40 स्त्रियों के साथ शुरू हुआ था और आज हमारे पास ऐसी दे हैव अबाउट 300 women who are working for Mijwan. So it's a great initiative and the cause is very pure, the intentions are very pure and the people who are working with pure hard work. So it's always great.
Should we start?
I think more than anything else, I'll say, first of all, I'll just like to thank Shabana ji, Namrata, Manish, and the whole Mijwa family. A part of them is here. Or, of course, Anushka, to involve me in an aspect of life which is, I think, most important, which we rightly or wrongly say empowering women. I think it's about giving an equal playing field to women. So thank you so much, Mijwa. Thank you, Manish. Thank you, Shabana ji. And of course, Anushka. And I look like a prince because the clothes I've been given are by Manish, and I'm walking next to a princess. So it rubs off on me.
You are the king.
Yeah.
So, you know.
But today I'm not showing off. I'm being humble today.
Thank you, Stacha.
Okay, allowed. Katliya.
Thank you. तो शाहरुख को हम लोग सब कितने सालों से जानते हैं, and whenever we asked him for a show, he said yes, he will do it, and he immediately said yes. And then I followed up with Pooja, and we'll come whenever you want us to. So I am overwhelmed. I love him. We all respect him. He's been just fantastic always, and the same since 25 years that we know each other. He looks the same, his body is the same, and he's the same person. So he's fantastic.
मगर मनीष इनको बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं मालूम था कि इतनी कसरत करवाई जाएगी। हाँ। इसको शाहरुख को
मुझे
बिल्कुल नहीं था।
इसके बाद शाहरुख बोलेंगे जब मैं फैशन में फोन करूँ तो बोलेंगे मैं बताता हूँ।
कितने किलोमीटर का कितने किलोमीटर का होगा? इसके बाद मैराथन कर सकते हैं।
And Anushka has worked with us for Mijwa earlier. And Air Mushka के time हमारी एक commitment थी कि twice earlier, I think, yes. So she was like, I will do your next show, and she's here. I love her. She does what she says, and she's wonderful.
मेरी पहले तो खुशकिस्मती है कि मुझे ये मौका मिला, और मैं जेन्युइनली बार बार धन्यवाद कर रहा हूँ। हालांकि मेरे दोस्त हैं, मैं सालों से जानता हूँ, सीनियर्स हैं, पर शबाना जी का, मनीष का, नम्रता का, कि मुझे ऐसा मौका दिया है। क्योंकि मजाक एक तरफ है, लेकिन रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में ऐसे मौके बहुत कम मिलते हैं कि हम किसी भी तरह से, मैं अनुष्का फिर भी करती रहती है, मुझे मौका बहुत कम मिलता है कि मैं ऐसी चीज़ों में भाग ले सकूँ जो जेन्युइनली हार्टफेल्ट और बहुत खूबसूरत है। तो आप ये देखिए, मिज़वा के बच्चे यहाँ पर हैं, औरतें यहाँ पर हैं जिन लोगों ने काम किया है, बहुत सारी ऐसी हैं जो यहाँ पर नहीं है, और जो काम वहाँ पर हो रहा है, चाहे मुझे उसका पूरा इल्म ना हो, I may not have the full knowledge of what's happening there, but I know it's very heartfelt, and it is making, in helping women have an even playing field, and I think that's important. So I really am very thankful, and I'm very happy. और next time मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा फिर से, जब मनीष बुलाएंगे, शबाना जी बुलाएंगे, नम्रता बुलाएंगी, और मैं वर्कआउट करके नहीं आऊँगा. That is a given. And genuinely a big thanks to Anushka for standing by me and making me look as beautiful as I look right now. It's only because of her.
हम सब उनको बहुत मुबारकबाद देते हैं, लेकिन ये मौका नहीं है, इसमें आप जरा मिजवा के ऊपर ही कॉन्सेंट्रेट करिए।
For me, I think there is no bigger cause. In the place I am, in the situation I am, in the life I've lived, I think any cause which is related to giving an even playing field to women is closest to my heart. Health and happiness, yeah. I mean, this is actually still very personal, so don't think I'm being cagey or not wanting to answer. But it's a very personal moment. I've had this moment before, so I know how personal it is. So let's respect that and leave it at that. And we'll have celebrations and love and happiness and health later. And just for Mijwa. Mijwa, kahe dhadkane tujhse kya? बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है, मतलब मैं क्या तारीफ करूं अपनी पिक्चर की अपने मुंह से, बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है।
और सर अनुष्का की फिल्म आने वाली है 24 मार्च को।
एक्चुअली लाइक शबाना जी सेज, आई एम पार्ट ऑफ द ट्रेलर ऑल्सो। मैं आऊंगा ट्रेलर के अंदर, मैं पिक्चर में नहीं हूँ, लेकिन आई विश हर द बेस्ट एंड ऑल ऑफ अस हियर। इम्तियाज भी यहाँ पे, सब जितने भी लोग हैं, ये बच्चे हैं, genuinely it's a very happy place and a very happy moment. So let's celebrate Mijwa and this fashion show of Manish and all the boys and girls who walk the ramp. बड़ा amazing show था यार, international,
Beautiful.
like Paris and Milan.
Yeah, stunning show.
बिल्कुल सत्य कहा है, बिल्कुल सच कहा है, और उन्होंने सत्य वचन कहा है बिल्कुल। लेकिन मुझे छाती पे थोड़े बाल उगाने पड़ेंगे, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं तेल लगा रहा हूँ हर रोज, सांडे का तेल लगा रहा हूँ अपनी छाती पे, सांडे का, कि मेरे बाल पे थोड़े से छाती के अगर बाल आ गए ना, उसके बाद देखो मैं ऐसा वुल्वरीन बनूंगा। बेटा तूने कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी की ना, मैं हेडबट करूंगा। मैं अच्छे मौके पे आया हूँ, चिनकारी पहनी हुई है मैंने, चिनकारी, चिकनकारी, सॉरी चिकनकारी, सॉरी। कल शाम को 8 बजे तेरे साथ मेरी मुलाकात होगी और इस पे हम बहुत लंबी चर्चा करेंगे।
Yeah, but let's talk about the show.
मैं बहुत शातिर हो चुका हूँ।
I think. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, everyone, for being here.
Thank you.
Have dinner, enjoy yourself, and happy Mijwa, and thank you everybody.
How you've come here, I don't understand. How is it?
तू अंदर क्यों है? इसको अंदर किसने आने दिया?
ये अकेले अंदर कैसे है?
अच्छा, इलीगल इमिग्रेंट है तू।
I think it should be from that side. Mijwa.
Come, let's go inside this way, he's saying. So that's right.
मिलेंगे जल्द सब मिलेंगे. Thank you everybody, thank you.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Center. Look straight. Okay. Okay, ma'am. एक मिनट फोटो मैम सामने मेरे सामने एकदम सामने
देखो ना घबरा ही नहीं, हाँ घबरा रहे
वो सामने यार हाँ सामने देखिए तुम्हारे सामने लुक सामने एकदम
Straight, yes, straight. One more straight. Straight.
स्ट्रेट ये मैम यहाँ पे सामने मैम स्ट्रेट मैम स्ट्रेट स्ट्रेट मैंने सामने देखा स्ट्रेट मैम स्ट्रेट
मोबाइल है इनसे
Straight here.
शूज का प्लस ये था
ले लो मांग लो
यस मैम एकदम मैम सामने
मैम सेंटर सेंटर मैम मैम वन मोर सेंटर
स्ट्रेट अनुपम ने स्ट्रेट
स्ट्रेट सर
Potential, but Kavi Sahab persevered. A girl in Mijwa aspires to be a computer engineer, aspires to be an entrepreneur, aspires to be an actor, aspires to be a beautician, aspires to skies and unlimited aspirations. That is the success story of Mijwa. Ladies and gentlemen, this evening, Mijwa Summer Couture 2017 by the one and only Manish Malhotra is truly a fashion show with a difference, because it has pomp, it has glamour, it has stars. But underlying all that is a story of empowerment, of confidence, of grace, of the privileged stretching out their hands to hold the hands of those on whom the sun is still to shine in India. Manish Malhotra, by giving these women a livelihood, has encouraged them, empowered them, so they can negotiate more space for themselves. अपनों की तारीफ नहीं करते हैं, अपनों को थैंक यू नहीं बोलते हैं, मगर थैंक यू Manish Malhotra. Yes, yes, you can give it to him. And now, without much ado, ladies and gentlemen, right in front of you, a dynamo, a bundle of energy, a young woman who doesn't take no for an answer, supported by a team, the Mijwa team, that makes the impossible possible. Please put your hands together for my goddaughter, the secretary and youth president of Mijwa Welfare Society, Namrata Goyal.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for being here for our 6th annual Mijwa Fashion Show. Once again, it's great to see all of you here supporting us and supporting the work that we do in Mijwa. And I just thought that since this year we've considered a due family, I must share a few of my inner struggles that I have been going through. You know, it's really interesting, but every single time I go to Mijwa, I feel I'm on an emotional roller coaster. On the one hand, I look at all the development that has happened. We're now in the process of building an English school. Girls say no to marriage below the age of 18 because it's illegal. I stare out of my Altamount Road apartment and I look at the stark realities of life staring back at me. I feel almost accused in my conscience, as though I wasn't doing enough, as if much more needed to be done. I remember that one dying man who could not afford to pay 60 rupees for his daughter's education because he didn't have the means to do so. So I just wonder, who is to blame? Am I responsible for not having created equal opportunities for them? Am I responsible that the fact that so many skilled young women and men, girls and boys my age, unfortunately are out of jobs because we haven't taken the initiative of creating small-scale industries in the villages itself? And of course, then they come to the city and they have slums, and then we complain saying our city is dirtied by them. So we need to take a pause and think about this. I also wonder, how many more fundraisers? It's great that all of you are here to support us, but to what avail? How many more fundraisers? At what point will Mijwa Welfare Society become self-sustaining so that it can generate its own income and employment? I खस तो उठे, रास्ता तो चले, मैं अगर थक गया, काफिला तो चले. चांद सूरज बुजुर्गों के नक्शे कदम, चांद सूरज बुजुर्गों के नक्शे कदम, खैर बुझने दो उनको, हवा तो चले. Thank you very, very much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here tonight.
Thank you together for Shweta, for Aditi, for Sanyogita, for Sunita, for Ashutosh, and for Rahul. They have come all the way from Mijwa, and I'm so happy to have them here. I would like to ask Shweta कि आप कुछ लफ्ज कहें.
गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. मेरा नाम श्वेता प्रजापति है. मैं कैफी आजमी गर्ल्स इंटर कॉलेज की स्टूडेंट हूँ. जिंदगी में पहली बार इतने बड़े शहर में आई हूँ, और वो भी प्लेन से. गांव वापस जाकर सबसे बताऊंगी कि हमारा मिजवा तो पूरी दुनिया में मशहूर हो गया है. मेरा मानना है कि लड़के और लड़कियां बिल्कुल बराबर होते हैं. हम वो सब कुछ कर सकते हैं जो हमारा भाई कर सकता है, बस हमें मौका मिलना चाहिए. थैंक यू मिजवा वेलफेयर सोसाइटी हमें ये मौका देने के लिए. आज हमारे गांव में किसी भी लड़की की शादी 18 साल से पहले नहीं होती, क्योंकि हम शादी तो करना चाहते हैं लेकिन पढ़ लिख कर कुछ बन जाने के बाद. थैंक यू.
जीते रहो. वाह वाह श्वेता. Aditi.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aditi Sharma. I belong to Mijwa. It was my dream to come to Mumbai and attend a fashion show. I'm so excited that I still can't believe it. I want to grow up and become an actress like Shabana Bua. Dada Baba always said, girls are equal to boys. All we need is opportunity. Thank you, Mijwa, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you. Give it to them, please. Let's go back. And may we have the AV, please? Aja. Come. Thank you very much.
And there was total hopelessness, depression in the atmosphere. Those people had never seen a telephone. They had never seen TV. And today, thanks to Mijwa Society,